Okay, hello everyone. Today, today is the seventh day. What I mean by today is that the day that I am recording this video is the seventh day of the lockdown in Mizoram, and we have a windy day, but with bright sky. So I am trying to continue what we have done in the classes. So I will do some of the problems in the unit 4, and we may not be able to cover much as the regular class that we used to have, so please pay attention. And it cannot be the videos that we will be taking cannot be very long, so please concentrate on the videos. So let's start with this question. Evaluate x squared y dx plus xy squared dy integration over c, where c is line segment from 1, 0 to 0, 1. So let's try to solve this example. So first we have to see the path. The path is a straight line from 1, 0 to 0, 1. So let's try to draw that one. Here we have the x-axis and the y-axis. This 1, 0, this 1, 0 means in the x-axis, suppose we have 1, we have 2, this is 1, and y is 0 means y in this, let's say this is 1, this is 2, 1, 0 is the point here, x1, y 0. So this is 1, 0, and the point 0, 1 is 0, x0, y1. So it is a straight line here, straight line, this one. So a straight line can be parameterized by using suppose x0, y0 is the point to x1, y1. Then a straight line from this point to this point can be parameterized as, I can put x as 1 minus t into x0 plus t into x1, and my y is 1 minus t into x0, y0 plus t into y1, where the t varies from 0 to 1. So in this point, my x will be 1 minus t into my x0 is 1 plus t into my x1 is 0, and my y is 1 minus t into my y0 is my y0 is 0, and my y1 is 1. Okay, so my x becomes 1 minus t, and my y becomes t. So my dx will be minus dt, and my dy will be dt. So what we can do now is we can put for x, for this x we can put 1 minus t, for this y we can put t, and for this dx I can put minus dt. Likewise for this dy also I can put dt. So the t will varies from 0 to 1. So this value, let's write here, integration over c x squared y dx plus xy squared dy can be written as integration over c, sorry, not over c, 0 to 1 because I'm going to put everything in terms of t. So my x square will be 1 minus t whole square. My y will be t. My dx is minus dt. And next is my x is 1 minus t. My y is t. So I have y square. dy is dt. So this can be put as integration over 0 to 1. So 1 minus t square can be written as 1 minus 2t plus 1 minus 2t plus t square into instead of t I can put minus t, so that I will have positive dt, plus 1 minus t into t square. So here I have minus t. So instead of minus dt, I'm put minus t here. So I can put the whole thing as dt. So next we will be having 0 to 1. Instead of this one, minus t plus 2t square minus t cube plus this will be t square minus t cube dt. So I will have 0 to 1 minus t plus 2t minus t cube dt. So this will be equal to, here I have, if I add this one, minus t plus 3t square, 3t square minus, I'm going to have minus 2t cube, dt. So I can evaluate this one now. Minus t, the integration will give me minus t square by 2 plus 3t cube by 3 minus 2t to the power 4 by 4, evaluated at 0 to 1. So I will have here minus this will be minus 1 by 2 plus 3 and 3 will get cancelled 1. This will be minus 1 by 2 again. So the whole thing I will get as minus 1 plus 1. So this will be equal to 0. Okay, next we have another question. We have to evaluate this one where C is this one. If you cannot, if I'm going a little bit fast, then you can pause the videos. Always know that you can pause the video so that you can get the clear view. So I have a triangle ABC where my points are this is A, 1, 2, 2, 0 is my B, 1, 2, and 0, 2 is my C. So I'm going to have triangle ABC. Okay, so I'm going to integrate this one. So first, for going C, we can do it like we can talk about the path as from here to where first, and then from here to where. If it is anti-clockwise direction, then from here to here, then we'll go back to here. So my path will be this line, this path, and I can divide it into three paths: C1, C2, and C3. Or I can write AB, BC, or CA. So let's talk about along AB. So along AB, my y equal to 0. The y part is always equal to 0, and x varies. So my y equal to 0. That means my dy is going to be equal to 0. X varies from 0 to 2. So therefore my integration over AB, 2x squared plus y squared dx plus 3y minus 4x dy. Sorry, my 3 must be here. This one is equal to 0 to 2, 2 into x squared plus 0 dx. Since this is dy is equal to 0, the whole thing will be equal to 0. So I have 2 x cubed by 3, 0 to 2. So this will give me 2 into 2 cubed means 8 by 3. So this is 16 by 3. Now we have a path B to C. For B to C, we have to find the equation of this line. In order to find the equation of this line, we have y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, where my x1 and my y1 is the first point. Let's say 2, 0. Here we have 2, 0, and my x2, my y2 will be here. It will be 0 and 2. So my equation of this equation of line. This is equation of line. My equation of line from 2, 0 to 0, 2 is C. Y minus my y1 is 0 divided by x minus my x1 is 2, and this my y2 is 2 minus y1 is 0 divided by my x2 is 0 minus my x1 is 2. So what does this gives? This gives, if we cross multiply and all, then we will get y is equal to, here I can get minus 1, so y equal to minus x plus 2. Okay, my equation of the line is y equal to minus x plus 2. So along BC, put x equal to t. Then my dy is going to be then my y is going to be equal to, my y will be equal to minus t plus 2. Okay, so how will t varies? T varies from, since t is equal to x, So x varies from 2 to 0. So my t will also varies from 2 to 0. Okay, so 2 t varies from 2 to 0. T varies from 2 to 0. And this gives me my dx is equal to dt, and my dy is equal to minus dt. So integration over bc 2x squared plus y squared dx plus 3 into y minus 4x dy will be equal to 2 to 0, 2 to 0, 2 into, instead of x I have t square, plus instead of y square I will have, I can write 2 minus t whole square. Instead of dx I can write dt, plus 3 into, instead of y I will have 2 minus t, minus 4 into, instead of x I will have t. Instead of dy I will have minus dt. Okay, so next integration bc 2x squared plus y squared dx is equal to 3y minus 4x dy. This will be before we have seen 2 to 0 2t square minus 4, not minus, plus 4 into minus 4t plus t square plus 6 minus 3t minus 4 into 12t. This is since we did not put dt here, we will have to change this one into this one into dt, and this is minus dt. So this will be 2 0 2t square plus instead of 2t square I can write 3t square plus 4 minus 4t. Instead of here I can put minus 6 plus 3t plus 12t. Sorry, I use curly brackets, so the minus will multiply all of this. So this becomes 2 to 0 3t square. Instead of t I will have here minus 4t, here I will have 3t, so I get minus 1. So here I will have plus 11t minus 2 dt. So this will give me 2 to 0 sorry, I can evaluate now. 3t cubed by 3 plus 11t squared by 2 minus 2. So 0 to 2 to 0. So I will have minus, because all of minus 2 minus here, not minus 2t, this must be minus 2t, so this cannot be included. I will have 0 minus 3 into 8 by 3, sorry, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. I will have 8 plus 11 into 4 by 2 minus 2 into 2. So I will have minus 8 minus 2 2s are 4, 22 plus 4. So I will have minus 26. And now along CA, let's write along CA first. Along CA, let's see the previous one. Along CA, I go from 0 to 0 0, 0 2 to 0 0. So my y varies from 2 to 0. My x remain constant as 0. So along CA, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to y varies from 2 to 0. So integration over CA, 2x squared plus y squared dx plus 3 into y minus 4x dy will be dx, since x is equal to 0, my dx is going to be equal to 0. So this will be 0. My y varies from 2 to 0, and here I will have 3 into y minus, this is minus 4x, my x is equal to 0, so 3y dy. So this will give me 3y squared by 2 to 0. So this is 0 minus 3 into 2 squared by 2. So this is minus 6. So my integral over C, the total integration over C 2x squared plus y squared dx plus 3 into y minus 4x dy will be integration over AB plus integration over BC plus integration over CA. So this will give me my integration over AB gives me 16 by 3 plus my integration over BC gives me minus 26, and my integration over CA gives me minus 6. So I hope you can evaluate this one. Okay, I'll leave this one. And the similar question that I have is the similar question that you will be able to do from this problem is this one. So please try it. It is very similar. I hope you'll be able to finish this one. And if you have any problem, then you can ask me. Thank you.